On May 21, 2024, Al-Hadi Idris, a member of the Transitional Sovereign Council, will begin Saturday a visit to Riyadh to discuss relief and rehabilitation projects with Saudi officials. Idris told Sudan Tribune that he will discuss humanitarian assistance and development projects in the war-affected area in Darfur and the two areas. Also, the discussion with the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center will cover rehabilitation projects, he added. The senior official will be accompanied by Hafiz Ibrahim Abdel Nabi, Minister of Livestock, Abdallah Yahya, Minister of Urban Development, Road and Bridges. On 21st April, Saudi Ambassador to Khartoum Ali bin Hassan Jafar made Idris to earn him an official invitation to discuss the visit. Jafar told reporters that the senior Sudanese official will also discuss economic and investment issues, determine the humanitarian assistance in the conflict-affected area in Sudan. The center has already implemented 16.5 million projects in Sudan, including food, watch, and health. Sudan Tribune.